friends, in this video we will see possible solution of error C error code 24 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And such type of message you will receive: the drive cannot locate a specific area of track on the disk. If you are also facing such type of error code with message, here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type disk cleanup and open disk cleanup in your system. Select the drive you want to clean up, basically C drive where your program files exist. So click on OK. A new window will open. Here under files to delete, make the check against option delivery optimization file, recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, and click on OK. A new pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to Windows search and type cmd, and here open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode, choose run as administrator, and in command prompt windows execute the command as shown on a screen: dism tool, dism online scan health, dism online check health, and dism online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. And once completed, execute the command sfc scan now, sfc/scan now, and press enter and wait till 100% verification complete. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad file system and repair them accordingly. After that, check whether your error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to privacy and security, click on it. Here choose Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. A new Windows security page will open. Here scroll down and click on scan options. Here you will find 4 options to scan. Choose full scan and click on scan now, and let the window complete the scanning process. Wait for some time, follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Click on it and in command prompt windows execute the command chkdsk command to check your disk error. Here replace your drive with D. If your drive is E, then replace D with C or E, and finally execute this command to your command prompt windows and press enter. If any error in your disk found, it will notify you and repair them accordingly. So you must execute sfc chkdsk command in your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here go to your disk driver section, expand it, right click on your disk driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Click on search automatically for drivers and update your disk driver. Hopefully your error will resolve. That's all.